Hello and welcome to this video on what is ClickFunnels used for. So great question. ClickFunnels is used for all sorts of things. Now, mainly ClickFunnels is used as a lead generation tool. It's used to sell your products and services. However, you can also do all kinds of other amazing things on here. You can create webinars, you can sell e-commerce products, you can do training courses. Did I say webinars? Yes. So you can do pretty much everything. And let me show you how that works. So what I would do is I'm just going to do the classic funnel builder. Now look here. So I can do webinars, I can sell products, and I can collect emails. Let's go with the basic one here. Most people, when they get started, they're using ClickFunnels to collect emails and grow their business. Now, why funnels is so powerful and more powerful than a website is because it takes your client or your potential client or customer through a series of steps. So they have to go through these steps in order to get what they want. Okay, so let's say you're giving away a free ebook or a free course or a free training or a free membership. This systematically takes them through the process. If they were to simply go to your website, they're going to get lost. This, as you can see, takes them through the funnel steps. Now you can connect this to your email service provider. ClickFunnels integrates with just about everybody. So that's how you would use it in its most general sense, right? I would use, for example, this is something like if I was creating a lead generation funnel, maybe I'm giving away like uh, get my free ebook or something, okay? And they would put in their name and information, and then boom, I would send them the ebook. And all these are completely right. You can change all this out. These are all templates. You can change the colors of the buttons, all kinds of stuff. I'm not going to go into too much detail there, but everything is super simple, super drag and drop, no tech experience needed. But another way that people might use ClickFunnels, or I shouldn't say might, they do use it, is to sell products and services. So now, let's say, for example, here I have somebody, I'm giving away something for free, but then I also want to, this is called, they might call it a tripwire, meaning I give away something for free, but then I'm going to trip them up here and say, hey, before you leave, would you like to buy X, Y, and Z? And so I might do something like a one simple offer, right? Um, and these can easily be added to your uh, Stripe account, PayPal, whatever you're using. And you could use a video, you could use whatever it is you want to sell. Maybe you're promoting a webinar or something. This is somebody here, uh, ClickFunnels user. She sells soap. Her name is Jamie, and she's actually a $1 million earner using ClickFunnels. So pretty exciting stuff, and you can just see the power of people are selling everything from soap to coaching to courses to trainings, you name it. Um, and this might be an upsell. Hey, your free ebook is on the way, but in the meantime, can I interest you in X, Y, and Z? Yes, that would be great. Click on it, and they buy it. So you get it, right? You see how the funnels are working? We're taking them through the top of the funnel down to the bottom of the funnel. So ClickFunnels can be used for everything, guys. You can create courses on here. You can sell products on here. You can do membership sites. You can collect leads. You can do whatever you want. It is truly, truly powerful stuff. And there's a great, great community, guys, that is growing by the day, by the second, by the hour of like-minded people like you who want to grow their business online. And maybe you're somebody at a position right now where you have this idea in your head, but you're not really sure what to do with it. ClickFunnels is a great place to do that. They also offer what's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. It is a 30-day training that'll basically take you from step one to launching your new business, your new product by day 30. I'll put a link for you below as well if you'd like to check that out. It's a great, great program. I went through it last January. It has helped me tremendously grow my business. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.